welcome to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the chapter 3 trigonometry function of class 11, and this is the question number 4 of exercise 3.3. Last class we completed exercise 3.3 up to question number 3. I hope you all watched that video. If you haven't watched that video, means please check it out, the playlist trigonometric function. That is very helpful. Okay, so now we are doing the question number 4. First of all, we have to remember the trigonometric values and the ratios and also the identities, compound angles and sum of angles, coordinates, everything we want to study thoroughly. Then only you can do this problem. Okay, you must practice that formulas. Okay, that is very important. Okay. If you remember that sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, it is very important. That trigonometric values you must thoroughly study. Okay, after that you have to do this problem. Let us moving on to this question number 4. Here the question is 2 sin square 3 by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 equal to 10. We have to prove that. Here, this is 3 pi by 4. This is pi by 4. So, first of all, this 3 pi by 4 changes into pi by 4. That is based on pi plus theta or pi minus theta. Here, 3 pi by 4. That means we have to choose here sine of here pi minus pi by 4. What is sine pi minus theta? Sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. So, sine pi minus theta equal to sine theta. So, here what is pi minus theta is positive. So, the sine pi minus theta, that means the pi minus theta will be on the second quadrant. What is the speciality of second quadrant? The second quadrant will be sine and cosec will be positive. That is why here sine of pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. It will be positive. Okay. So here sine of pi minus pi by 4 is sine pi by 4. What is the value of pi by 4? Pi by 4 means, which means that is 45 degree. What is pi by 3? Pi by 3 is 60 degree. What is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is, which is nothing but 30 degree. We have to remember all these things. Then only you can do these problems. Okay. So here, next is sec. What does mean by sec? 60. That means we have to remember what is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec is the reciprocal of the cos. That is 2 is the answer. Okay. So first of all we have to remember that trigonometric values. You have to thoroughly study that trigonometric values up to 90 degree. That is very important. 30, 45, 60 and 90. Sine, cos, tan. That is very important. If you study these three trigonometric values, means it is easy to solve this type of problems. Okay. So here we have to take LHS, then 2 sine square. Here 3 pi by 4 changes into pi by 4. How? Pi minus theta. So here sine square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3, which is nothing but here 2 sine square 45 degree plus 2 cos square 45 degree plus 2 sec square 60 degree. Let us substitute these values, trigonometric values. So here this is 2 into sine 45. What is the value of sine 45? Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. We already discussed, we already studied. If you thoroughly go through that table, then only you can understand this problem. Okay. So 2 into sine 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square. Why here sin 45? The value of sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. Then the cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Then 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square. Plus here 2 into cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Then the 660 is the reciprocal. That means it is the value will be 2. So here 2 into 2 square. Let us solve here. 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square will be 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 square is 4. This 2 will be cancelled, this 2 will be cancelled. The answer will be 1 plus 8. So the answer will be 10 is the answer. Did you got the answer? Yes, here it is 10. So here it is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. It is very easy. One important thing is you have to concentrate these type of angles. If you here get 3 pi by 4, what is another angle? It is based here pi by 4 means you have to change this into pi by 4. Okay? It is clear about this? Okay. So